Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about a very popular topic these days, the CARES Act, and specifically about the Paycheck Protection Program, shortly PPP. Many of you are familiar with the CARES Act. If not, you can watch my previous presentations here about the topic. We have some exciting changes for PPP loan, and I cannot wait to share them with you. These changes make the PPP loan very attractive. For those who don't know me, I am Elena Korsakova, CPA in California. For almost 20 years, I managed millions of dollars for small and large business operations. Now, as finance expert and wealth creation mentor, I coach women entrepreneurs and sometimes men, focusing on business and personal finances. So, welcome. Please be sure you check my previous videos, give me love, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you find this information valuable, please share it with others. Together we thrive. Before we move on, I have to make an official disclaimer. This presentation is for informational purposes only, and it cannot be considered to be legal or financial personal advice. Hope this is clear. Let me share with you my presentation. All right. Oh, this is me. This is me. All right. Over the past 3 months, the Congress, US Congress has passed and the president signed some $2.4 trillion to combat the coronavirus crisis and the resulting financial fallout. That means billions of dollars to bail out industries, billions to rescue small businesses, billions to boost unemployment assistance. What is the PPP loan? One of the most important elements of the CARES Act is the Paycheck Protection Program, PPP. If your business needs short-term funding to cover payroll and facilities costs, the PPP is designed to provide fast, low-cost financing with the potential for full loan forgiveness. This makes it the great stimulus program for small businesses. Until recently, many small business owners I spoke with, including some of my clients, they were uncertain about the process that would look like and how they could apply for forgiveness of their loan. There were many questions and the process was not easy. The good news, it's changing now. The US Congress recently passed the Paycheck Protection Flexibility Act, which was enacted on June 5th, 2020. The amendment modifies portion of the CARES Act related to forgiveness of Paycheck Protection Program loans. Out of the $310 billion allocated by Congress to the Paycheck Protection Program, approximately $130 billion are still available. So don't wait for this opportunity to pass you by, as applications will continue to be accepted until June 30th, 2020. What is this? What businesses are eligible for PPP? Businesses with less than 500 employees, Also, non-profit organizations with fewer than 500 employees, sole proprietors and independent contractors. I know that we have many of you in our community. Who is not eligible for PPP? Cannabis companies, casinos, land developers, and any business involved in illegal activity. So, what are the changes? One of the requirements is in order to get your PPP loan forgiven, the funds must be spent on payroll, mortgage expenses, rent, or utilities. So less money now you can spend on the payroll. Previously, to be eligible for loan forgiveness, small businesses were required to spend 75% of their funding on payroll expenses. Now that number been lowered to 60%. That allows more freedom in how you spend your money. If previously the ratio was 75 to 25%, now it's 60 and 40. The second change, now you have more time to rehire staff. Previously, you must have hired back all workers by June 30th, 2020 to get PPP loan forgiveness. Now you have until December 31st, 2020 to do that. The new rules give small business owners much more time to rehire any staff members that were laid off during the COVID-19 pandemic. Next, more time to spend money. Rather than having 8 weeks to spend their PPP funds, small business owners will have now 24 weeks to spend money from the day they receive their loans. This is a very important day, the date you receive the loans. So the rule is 24 weeks or December 31st, 2020, whichever comes first. And finally, you have longer repayment period. You will now have more time to repay any amount of the loan which was not forgiven. Previously, the repayment time was only 2 years, but it has now been extended to 5 under the new regulations for any loan made on or after June 5th, 2020. If you received the loan before June 5th, you can request an extension from your lender. All right, I am back with you. In conclusion, recent changes approved by the US Congress have made the Paycheck Protection Program loan much more attractive for small business owners. If you were hesitant in the beginning to apply because of the extensive regulations, or you thought there is not enough funds available, or for any other reasons, I encourage you not to wait and apply soon if you qualify. You can apply through your bank or any small community bank that's commissioned with SBA, Small Business Administration. You can do that through PayPal or Lendia.com. The application process is very easy and takes just few minutes. If your business is in need, PPP might be free and very inexpensive money for you. I got it myself, so I teach you from my personal experience. Again, the deadline for processing application is June 30th, 2020. Don't miss this opportunity to receive much needed funds to keep your small business afloat. while you weather this unexpected storm. If this video helped you in any way, I would appreciate it if you give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with others so I can help you save your money and build wealth. If you have any questions, comment below. I will try to answer as many as I can, and see you soon.